Hello Choro collectors, we have a Lancer Evo 7 here, number ChoroQ 20, and this is from 2001. After I bought this, I soon realized I actually have the same casting already, but I figured I might as well show you guys anyways. So it's just a yellow, it's not metallic or anything like that. It's got standard 5-spoke ChoroQ wheels. That front end looks pretty good to me. The back end's a little plainer, right? It'd be nice if there's a little silver on the taillights. At least the exhaust tip is there, although it is yellow. But the standard line of ChoroQs, I think, is the most basic line, so it's not going to have all the paint apps that you want. But at least it has nice molded details for the door handles, the window molding itself. All these vents have cool, nice thin textures in them. It needs more black paint though. The body is clear, and so they left the headlights alone, and then you can see the motor there through that windshield. Then we got more texture but not enough black paint, a little aqueduct, and then this side looks the same. That's where it comes out the sprue. The wing is a separate piece, and then a little sticker telling us where we are in the series, and then the taillights, and yes, that is molded, just not colored the way I would prefer. There it is. The date is 2001. So there, that's it. I'm wondering if I should do a wheel swap. Maybe I'll first just show you the other car I have and some other Mitsus, and then we'll see what happens at the very end. I might just sell this off. So here's one from the Kodawari series. So the Kodawari series has all this extra printing, tax stamps or registration stickers. I don't remember if I added this silver paint. It's possible it came that way. But you see there's even orange here on the turn signals, and that's something not on here. So this is just better all in all. I can't remember where these wheels came from, but I don't know. I forget. Looks like a real rider on the front, a ChoroQ on the rear. This one is 02, so a year later this one came out. The back still just as lame. Exhaust tip is just clear. Alright, so this is clearly better, I think. So what to do with this yellow one? I don't know. Maybe I'll just leave it alone for now. What other Retsus do I have? I have this FTO, and this one has some 3D printed wheels on it. I have this Wanda Coffee promo from Rally Japan Evo 10, maybe? I don't know what Evo this is, but I did some 3D printed wheels because this is a pretty cool little free toy. It's got all these paint apps, nice molded details. Back to ChoroQ, we got a nice one, this Paris Dakar Pajero Evo. 3D printed wheels on that one because that's a nicely done ChoroQ. There's so much tampo printing on it. Oh, I have an old classic Lancer. This is from, well, I guess this is ChoroQ number 97, 1600 GSR. It says 2004 on the base of this guy, and this has 3D printed wheels also. Alright, let's get this guy spinning on its own. Get a little Pikachu. Very fitting. So it's a nice ChoroQ and all. It's just if you had to choose and they cost the same, I would go with the Kodawari one. But in theory, whenever these were brand new, the Kodawari is probably going to be more expensive because it has more paint processes on it. Alright, well anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you the next time and get a Lancer. Bye.